Hi, my name is Shriyansh Tripathi and today I have built a manual controlled traffic light system. Today I am going to tell how I built this manual controlled traffic light system. So first I have on this switch towards this. When I on towards that side, then this wire will go at and connect at this one. This common is connected to this positive, so positive goes to common and common goes to A1 because I have pointed it towards A, and A goes to green light and it glows. Now let's see how is this happening. Now in this one, this is B. When we do B wire to common of this one, then when this B is connected to this one, then it is going power in this red light, and when we do towards this one, the power go in this red light. Hence we can control the traffic light system. Okay, when green light is starting, this red wire is going towards B1 and this B is connected to the positive of green light. The negative of green light is connected to power supply, both negative, and hence the green light is glowing. Thank you everyone. Thank you for like, share, subscribe my video.